Yes? What's he gonna
do?
What are you doing? What are you doing back there, Nico? Sniffing around?
Look at Nico's paws.
He's sticking his head in your bookcase. You're so silly, Nico.
He's too big.
Yeah, he is. He's too big for that. What a dork.
He's too big for that.
He certainly is. Too big.
Nico said get in there.
He's trying to get in there. Oh, what's he stealing? Your birthday cards?
Yeah, my birthday card.
Nico.
These are my birthday cards. These are my birthday cards.
Nico.
These are mine. Nico, get out my way.
Get out of my way.
Birthday cards.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Yeah. These are my birthday cards.